Hey, welcome to Big Lou Barbecue and other things I want to do. And today I've got some bad news for you. Got a sad story about Smokehouse Bayou on Big Lou Barbecue. I'm going to keep rhyming like that. Look, guys, I do this channel for fun. Yeah, you know I do this channel for fun. I'm just a fella having fun with food, fire, and a phone camera in my backyard. Kind of got talked into this by my wife's family members, and I've been having fun for 3 years, going on 4 years. But I'm not real serious about it. I don't invest in a lot of equipment, and I don't ask companies to review their products or anything like that because I want to do what I want to do. But if a company contacts me, I may say yes, but you know, I'm not big on it. Anyway, some of you know that I live in West Louisiana. I live about 15 miles from Texas as the crow flies and about 17, 19 miles as you drive. So I live on the Sabine, but I grew up on the Pearl River, not too far from Mississippi. All right. Went to school in Hattiesburg, college in Hattiesburg. And, you know, my wife's got family down in Bay St. Louis and Picayune and places, Poplarville, places like that. I'm familiar with Southern Mississippi. So back last fall, I saw on Barbecue Pit Dog's channel, he was eating some beef jerky from Smokehouse Bayou. And then I saw on Pickles' channel, their links will be down below, okay? Pickles Barbecue's channel. He was eating some jerky from Smokehouse Bayou. And then I clicked on Smokehouse Bayou and I started watching some of their videos. And I saw that, you know, the big Russ Jones, he's from South Mississippi. He's eating stuff from Smokehouse Bayou. So I watch their channels every now and then. And my dad is a huge beef jerky fan, a huge beef jerky fan. In fact, my dad's always told me, he says, I think I could live on beef jerky and granola bars. And since my stepmother passed away last summer, I'm afraid that's what my dad's been living on, is beef jerky and granola bars. The crunchy type too, not the chewy type, no. We go to his house since my stepmother passed away, cupboards are all bare. Nothing in his cupboards but beef jerky, granola bars, and Wheaties. A box of Wheaties. That's it. Open up his refrigerator, skim milk, and a little bit of orange juice. That's it. I swear, he's living on beef jerky and granola bars. So I said, you know, I'm going to get him some of that Smokehouse Bayou beef jerky at Christmas. So I ordered him a little bit, all right? And it came in, and it came to my house so I could wrap it and all, but there was a note in there from Shayla at Smokehouse Bayou. It said, hey, Big Lou, hope you let us know how you like it. And I'm thinking, it's a gift. I can't let you know how I like it. So I gave it to my dad. And my dad's not one to say anything about it. He's not going to tell you if it's good. He's not going to tell you if it's bad. He's just not going to say anything after he thanks you for opening it. So I don't know if my dad's eaten it yet. I would assume, because beef jerky doesn't last long around his house, because that's what he lives on. But he hadn't said it was good or said anything to me. He might let me know around next Thanksgiving, you know, son, I really like that beef jerky you gave me last year. He might say something like that, but that won't be till November, you know, so I don't know how it is. I was thinking about ordering some, and I saw a video by them where they were throwing axes down in Biloxi, and I commented, and I said, hey, I'm gonna go to Biloxi. Mike, you know, the Nina and the Pinta replicas, the Columbus's ships, are going to be in Biloxi. And since that's not far from where I grew up, we might go down there and see that. But, you know, I saw this, I got this thing from FedEx, said FedEx got a delivery from Smokehouse Bayou. And I thought for a minute, why is Smokehouse Bayou sending me something? I didn't order anything from them. I haven't contacted them. And then I thought, it's the benevolent subscriber. If you watch my channel, you know I got a fan. All right, and he's a benevolent subscriber. I've outed his name before, but I'm not going to do it in this video. I'm going to keep his name anonymous in this video. I said, I bet it was him. I got an email today. Said it's because it arrived. It was supposed to arrive tomorrow, but it arrived early today. All right, like at 9:40 a.m. And I'm thinking, oh, man, I'm not going to be home till late. Got a basketball game I got to stay at. Not going to be home till late. Sure hope that nothing happens to that package. I live in the country, in the rural area, so I'm not really worried about package thieves on my porch. And the FedEx guys, and the UPS guys, they've kind of gotten used to my dogs. They just leave the stuff on my porch swing, you know? I'm thinking, okay, it's there. My wife calls me. She's coming home around 4 in the afternoon. I said, honey, pick up the FedEx package. She's like, what'd you order now? I said, I didn't order it. It's being sent to me. And she goes to pull in the driveway. The dogs aren't there. She notices they're out in the side yard nibbling on a white package. Tearing it up. I got 2 black labs, Jake and Waldo. You've seen them on the show before. Like, oh, no, I'm serious. I don't even have any idea what flavor this is or was. Smells kind of good, like dog slobber and beef jerky. And this one, I know what flavor that is. That's smoked ghost pepper hickory jerky. I looked at my dog Waldo and I said, I hope it burns your butt coming out. But my wife was able to salvage something. So let's see what's in here. They didn't mess with this. This looks like a bottle of something or another. All right. I probably got to pull up my pocket knife. Hold on. Let's lock. I like these. They're really convenient. All right. Let's see what it is. Yeah. All right, there we go. There we go. Let's see. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. Folks at Smokehouse Bayou got this packed pretty good. No wonder the dogs couldn't get to it. But they could. It was a plastic bottle. Spicy Bayou sauce. All right. Dogs didn't get that. I'm so mad. I still didn't get to try the beef jerky. There's another one in here. Let's see what's in this. I might have to put on my reading spectacles. All right. Come on now. Oh, this is a rub. Hold on. This is a rub. Bayou does sweet heat Cajun seasoning. Rub and seasoning. So it's a rub and Cajun seasoning. You know I got tracked because this has got to be tried right here on the spot. The sauce you'll see on the show. Ooh, there's a big old clunk of it right there. I'm just going to grab that and just eat that. That's good. A little sweet to it. There's some paprika in there. It said ribs, chicken, pork, fish, whatever. I can definitely see this on ribs. Oh, there's some heat. The cayenne's kicking in. Got a little sweet tint to it, but then there's meat. Yeah, I'll use this. Thank you, benevolent subscriber. Now, wait. There's one last package of jerky in here. Now, I don't know if they got any more. There's no pack and slip. But this one doesn't have dog teeth in it. So I'm gonna get to try, finally, the Smokehouse jerky. Really mad about that ghost pepper. It burns my dog's booty butt. They were eating the beef jerky. By the way, it's nighttime, so I'm doing this from my dining room here. I'm not out on my porch swing where I normally do bell calls. Golly. Oh, that smells wonderful. My son's right here. You want to try a piece of the Smokehouse turkey?
Yes, sir.
You know, I gave some to your grandpa at Christmas time, right?
Yes, sir.
I don't know how he liked it. Why don't you try that? Eli's right here off campus. I mean, off camera. I said off campus. Y'all know I'm a school teacher. All right. All right. Dogs didn't get this one. Oh, that's really good. And tender for jerky. Because most jerky's dehydrated. Theirs are smoked. It dehydrates as it smokes. Wow. I could imagine good jerky, but I don't know if it's this good. I make my own jerky sometimes. Usually in a dehydrator. I don't think I've ever made any this good. I might have to try some in my UDS or something, but I don't know if I could do it like that. That is really good. Ain't it good? Mm-hmm. That's good jerky. No wonder the dogs tore up the package. Benevolent subscriber, you know who you are. If you leave a comment, I'll pin your comment. Everybody else will know who you are. I can't thank you enough for sending me. This is good. Wish I had the ghost pepper stuff. I'd shoot the dogs, but I love them. Didn't stop me from kicking them though. Didn't have it. That's good. Hey, thank you for watching Big Lou Barbecue.